you can see, the van is sitting behind me. Brian and his wife Susan just took off. Super great meeting them. I'm so stoked to be working on this project. Let's jump inside and take a look at the van. All right guys, obviously there's not a whole lot going on here right now. Brian and I spent some time laying things out with blue tape. This big slider in the back is for mountain bikes, gear, whatever you want. That was already in here. Made by a company called Off-Grid Fabrications. They did all of the outside work as well, like the rack. There's boxes on the back. There's all kinds of awesome stuff. They do great work. We're going to be replacing this window, replacing the window and the sliding door. I'll be putting flarespace flares on each side in the back, taking these windows out, putting them in the flares. All kinds of cool stuff. Stay tuned. I'm so stoked for this build and I can't wait to bring you guys along. All right, so here's the rack. All these panels are modular. You can take them out, move them around, configure them however you need them. We're gonna be doing AC unit back here, solar panel here, another solar panel up front, and that should be it for up here. Cutting the first big hole in the van. So I'm doing something a little bit different in this van. Usually I stud everything out and then I'll do like shiplap across it. This is my first time using the flarespace flares, and it's just easier to do the panel with the trim ring. It gets everything looking nice. I'll upholster the panel, inside of the flare, trim ring, all that good stuff. But yeah, so far so good. Things are working out. The van's coming along well. I'm getting ready to pack in the rest of the insulation and start building a bed frame.